Welcome back to our series of videos on highlights in Excel. I'm Kathy Barker and this is Software Solutions. This particular video I want to introduce you to something called data validation. Data validation is our attempt to make sure that what data they enter is valid according to rules that we want to establish. So let's say, for example, I'm tired of people putting the region in this list typed incorrectly. So I want to make all these cells now drop downs. In order to make a drop down, I first of all have to have a list of regions sitting somewhere. So I might just click over here and type regions. And the regions I want them to be able to choose are Auckland, Te Puke, Kawerau, Rotorua, Tauranga, Tukurua, Whakatane, and Wellington. Alright. So the idea now is I'm going to select these cells. I'm just going to click on D4 and go Control Shift down arrow, and I might actually go Control Shift down arrow again. So I basically hit rock bottom, 1,048,576 rows. So if they try to enter anything in column D, I want them to choose from this cell to the very last cell from a drop down. So now I'll go to Data in the ribbon and I'm going to hit this button called Data Validation. Data validation at the moment allows them to enter any value in these cells. Well, that's no longer the case. I'm going to insist that they choose from a list. And now the list needs a source. So I click in source and I can move this window and say this is the source of my list, which I'll later on hide. And when I click OK and I click on any cell in this column now, I now have a drop down where I can choose from the list a valid region. So data validation is ensuring that what they enter into a cell is valid, and lists would probably be the most popular form of data validation. Come back for the next video.